Hey, it's Rodger with RodgerMelissa.com on this beautiful fall day. And today I'm going to show you how to set up ActiveCampaign to automatically deliver a lead magnet or a download. One of the most common things that you'll do in marketing automation is deliver a piece of value to someone when they sign up for your list. So if you don't currently use ActiveCampaign, the logic is the same in whatever marketing automation platform you're using. If you want to try out ActiveCampaign, there is an affiliate link in the description below where you can get your own free trial. So let's hop in. All right, the first thing we're going to need to do is make sure that we have a form that is going to be used for the specific lead magnet. So we're going to call this lead magnet 1. So whether or not you're going to be using the form that ActiveCampaign produces on your website, or you're going to be using a lead page form or a lead capture form, we still have to have a form in ActiveCampaign so that we can link the two together. So I'm going to call this lead magnet 1. We're going to subscribe to my main list, and I'm going to click create. For the sake of time, I'm going to leave this all the same. I am going to change this out and just put first name in here. And I'm going to make it required. Now I just want to look at my options. And for now, I'm just going to turn the double opt-in confirmation off. And I'm going to click integrate. And now we have a form called lead magnet 1. Now let's go create our automation. We're going to start from scratch. And our trigger is going to be submit a form. We don't want to use subscribe to a list because we actually want to know when somebody asks for a specific lead magnet so we can deliver that specific lead magnet. So the trigger is submit a form. The form is going to be lead magnet 1, and we'll let them ask for it as many times as they want, and I'll click add start. The first thing we're going to do is send them an email. Let's just choose this template here. Email subject, here is your download. Okay, I won't spend the time to go through all this, but in essence, you're going to say, as promised, here is your download. And the biggest thing you're going to want to do is say, either click here to download, or you can make a button out of it. But what we now have to do is we have to link to wherever you have that file stored. So you're not going to be attaching a file to this email. You're going to be linking to the location either on your WordPress site or to the Google Docs location. Wherever you have that file stored, that file will have a URL that if it's in Google Docs, for instance, you'll go to Google Docs, you'll hit the share button, and that share button will give you a URL link that you can use to put right here. And we click the link, and this is going to be our URL, like whatever it is. So that's the URL of where I have my document stored on my RodgerMelissa.com WordPress site. Or this may be the link that you get from Google Docs. And you click OK. So that when they click on that, it's going to go get that file and download it right there on the spot for them. And all we have to do now is just click Next. Make sure that we have a right subject. We have our address. All right. And I have some errors down here because this is not my real, I'm just using a Gmail account. You probably don't want to use a Gmail account. You want to use an email account that has your domain in it. But I'm going to leave this for now. That doesn't affect what we're doing. And I click on Finish. Now, we may want to tag them. If we want, we could tag them with contacts, add a tag. Now, as a bonus, let me just tell you that you could then send it to them again. If they've clicked on it, you're good. If they have not clicked on it, maybe you want to send it to them one more time. So you can put a conditional in here, and we'll put clicked, has clicked on a link in our deliver lead magnet campaign. And the link is going to be, this was my link right here. This was my made up link, my KKDS KSDS. This was the file. If they've clicked on that down my S path, then we're good to go. We're going to end this automation. Actually, sorry, let me wait for 2 days. Let's just say 2 days. So we deliver the lead magnet email. We're going to tag them that they requested it. We're going to wait for 2 days. Then we check if they have clicked on the download link, we're good, we end the automation. If they have not clicked on the download link, we're going to send another email. And this email is going to be similar. Let's copy and edit this one. Actually, you might say something like, now we don't want to say something creepy like, hey, we noticed you haven't clicked on the link. You might just say, we just wanted to make sure you received your download. All you've got to do is click below and give them the same link to the download and you're good to go. So you can click next and finish, and we can then end the automation. So there you have it. You've got your form. When somebody submits your form, it's going to trigger this automation. We're going to send an email that gives them the link to download it. You're going to tag them just so you know who's requested it. You're going to wait 2 days. If they've clicked on that link to download the lead magnet, we're going to end the automation. If they have not clicked on the link to download the lead magnet, we're going to send a follow-up just to say, want to make sure you got it. Just be sure to click the link, and then you can end the automation. If they haven't clicked on it after that, they probably never will. But there you have it. That's how you can easily set up an automated delivery of a lead magnet in ActiveCampaign. Hope you got some value out of it. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe. And also be sure to check out some of these other great videos we have on YouTube. Until next time, take care.